Go for it, Ollie.
Oh, so cool.
Is he going to stop there, or is he going to go for the double sweep?
Okay, half. Oh no, I quite like it actually.
Double sweep. Look at that, all the way. Look at
Oh,
that.
that's so cool. Well done, Bean.
All right. Now let's see if you can get it on the paper.
Yeah,
Don't look, Amy.
so scary.
Oh dear.
Moment of truth.
Oi.
Ta-da!
Nice.
Oh, that is good.
Let's have a look at that.
I like the colour in that.
Purple and yellow. That's always going to go well together.
I like the white coming. I like the,
Well done.
the white on
Cheers,
it.
man.
That's good.
So let's see what your sister makes of this when I post it on Facebook.
Yeah.
I can't believe he did that his first time. Oh look, he's forgotten to go opposite.
Oh.
What's the one thing I told you to remember?
Carry away.
That's not as bad.
That's all right, no, it's good. It's good, yeah, so do that to all of them. I mean, you can play around with different now movements. You can do some 4, some 8, some with or without the spikes on your leaves.
Kind of like this way.
Hi, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please let me know in the comments below, and remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can keep up with new content.